Welcome to High School Geometry, all the basics, things you must know in order to succeed in high school geometry. All right, we're going to start with a point. Just start with 1. If I have 1 point, it's like you're looking at the stars in the sky, you look at the map. This 1 point tells you location. And how we name it, put a capital letter next to it. Okay, so I have 1 point, it tells me location. A, Arizona is here, and a B, and a Beijing is there. All right, what if we decide to connect these 2 points? Let's connect it. Now we're going to call this point A as end point A. Call it point B, end point B. Now you have 2 end points. You get a line segment. You can also call segment AB. You can also call segment BA. What if I say I want to pass these 2 points and keep going? If I pass these 2 points, keep going. Let's give it a new name. We call it CD, and we got a line CD. We can also call line DC. What if I say I have 2 points? One is O, remember this is my end point, and one is P. I'm going to start from O, passing P, keep going, going, going. And this is called ray. I say ray OP. Remember, your first letter must be the end point. You cannot call this one ray PO. That's incorrect. If I say ray PO, I'm going to still use these 2 points, okay? This is P, this is O, and I go this way. Now, this is called ray PO, okay? All right, remember, the first letter has to be the end point for when we name the ray. Let's continue talk about the 2 points. We go back to this line segment. I have a line segment, and I can use a rule called a segment addition postulate. What does it mean? It means this. I'm going to call it a C. If I say segment AC has a distance AC is 2 units. So this portion has 2 units distance or length. I'm going to say segment CB or segment BC has a distance, which is CB, distance is BC, is, let's say, 3 units. By this time, I think you already noticed when we have a little bar at the top, we're talking about the geometric shape, the name. When we don't have the bar here, we're talking about how long it is, what is the distance. Now, visually you can say if I add these 2 segments, I will get the whole segments, right? So which means I can add these 2, become the whole length. I'm going to say AC plus BC or CB is 2 plus 3 is 5. Why? Because AC plus CB become AB. AB, that's the whole distance of AB. Now you just did a simple segment addition postulate. Let's make a little bit more interesting for you. Excuse me, I'm trying to erase this so you get more space here. All right, as I'm erasing, I'm thinking, okay, this time I'm going to give you segments AC is 2x. Segment CB is 3x. I'm going to tell you segment AB is 15. Can you find x? Based on what we understand earlier, we can say, oh, I know AC plus CB is AB. The next step, I will just simply substitute. AC says I am 2x. CB or BC says I am 3x. AB says I'm 15. Now add equal. Ooh, we got a beautiful equation here. 5x is 15, x is 3. You just solved for x. What if the question says, help me find out what is AC? Then you just plug in AC is 6, which makes BC is 9. 6 plus 9, indeed 15.